Most people get this wrong. They think Payday Express USA is just another high-interest payday loan app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it's now a versatile financial platform offering fast cash access, short-term loans, and flexible repayment plans designed to help you manage emergencies without stress. Here's how it works. Payday Express USA allows users to request a portion of their earned wages or a small cash advance. Funds typically hit your account within hours, perfect for urgent bills, car repairs, or unexpected expenses. The app provides clear repayment terms and notifications to keep you on track. One feature that sets it apart is its budgeting support. You can track advances, repayment schedules, and total spending at a glance, helping prevent overuse and unnecessary fees. It's more than a payday advance app, it's a mini financial assistant for short-term needs. The downside? Over-reliance can be expensive. Using Payday Express USA for routine expenses rather than emergencies can add up in fees. For best results, use it strategically, not habitually. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only take advances you can repay on time. 2. Track repayment dates carefully. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce dependence. Who benefits most? Users with steady income who occasionally need fast cash. Those with inconsistent income or poor repayment habits may face higher costs. In conclusion, Payday Express USA in 2026 is practical, fast, and user-friendly, but only if used responsibly. Treat it as a helpful short-term solution. Track repayments carefully and avoid relying on it for routine spending. Subscribe for honest app reviews and financial tips.